Welcome to Quick Particulars. Have you ever wondered about how medicines are made? Let's take you to a journey through the start-to-finish process of manufacturing medicines from raw materials to tablets that we consume. The manufacturing of medicines involves a complex and highly regulated process that ensures the production of safe, effective, and high-quality pharmaceutical products. This video provides a detailed overview of the steps involved in the manufacturing of medicines. The manufacturing process begins with the formulation development, where scientists and pharmaceutical experts determine the composition and dosage form of the medicine. This includes selecting the active pharmaceutical ingredient, API, and deciding on the appropriate excipients, inactive ingredients, to achieve the desired therapeutic effect. The active pharmaceutical ingredient, which is the key component responsible for the medicine's therapeutic action, is produced through chemical synthesis or extracted from natural sources. The API undergoes rigorous testing to ensure its purity, potency, and quality before proceeding to the next stage. Before the actual manufacturing process begins, certain pre-processing steps are carried out. A. Weighing and dispensing. The required quantities of API and excipients are accurately measured and dispensed based on the formulation specifications. B. Milling and mixing. In some cases, the API and excipients are milled to achieve the desired particle size distribution and then thoroughly mixed to ensure uniformity. Granulation is a process that transforms the powdered mixture of API and excipients into granules. Granules facilitate the compression or encapsulation process and improve the flowability of the material. There are different methods of granulation, such as wet granulation, using a liquid binder, and dry granulation, using pressure and heat. The granules or powdered mixture are further processed through compression or encapsulation to create the final dosage form. A. Tablet compression. In this method, the granules are compressed under high pressure to form tablets. Tablet presses ensure consistent size, shape, and hardness of the tablets. B. Capsule encapsulation. In this method, the granules or powdered mixture are filled into capsules using automatic encapsulation machines. Capsules can be hard gelatin or vegetarian, cellulose-based, capsules. Some tablets or capsules undergo a coating process, which serves various purposes. A. Protecting the API from moisture or degradation. B. Improving the appearance, taste, or odor of the medicine. C. Facilitating easier swallowing. D. Controlling the release of the API within the body. Controlled release formulations. After the tablets or capsules are manufactured, they undergo packaging, which involves the following steps. A. Primary packaging. The individual doses of medicines are placed into blister packs, bottles, or other appropriate containers. This ensures protection from external factors and maintains the integrity of the product. B. Labeling. The containers are labeled with essential information, including the medicine name, strength, dosage instructions, batch number, expiry date, and other relevant details. Packaging and labeling comply with strict regulations. Throughout the manufacturing process, rigorous quality control measures are implemented to ensure the safety, efficacy, and quality of the medicines. A. Raw material testing. All incoming raw materials, including the API and excipients, are thoroughly tested to verify their identity, purity, and quality. B. In-process testing. Regular checks are performed during the manufacturing process to monitor critical parameters and ensure the product meets quality standards. Circa finished product testing. The final tablets or capsules undergo comprehensive testing to ensure they meet the required specifications, including potency, dissolution, stability, and absence of contaminants. The manufacturing process of medicines involves a series of precise and controlled steps to ensure the production of safe and effective pharmaceutical products. From formulation development to quality control, pharmaceutical manufacturers adhere to stringent regulations and quality standards to deliver medications that meet the needs of patients worldwide. Thanks for watching.